Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can make audio ID public in Roblox. So the process is really simple. You just need to follow the video. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here you just need to click on create, and once you come over that place, from that place you just need to click onto the creations, and once you click over here, then here you will get a couple of options. So you just need to be shift to the develop items, and then you will get couple of toolbar in here. So from that place you just need to select audio. Now you can upload your assets. So here you can see you can upload mp3 file, OGG file, and many more, and the max size per file 20 MB. So just click over here, and from that place you just need to be given audio. Once it's done, then you just click hit the upload button. Once you hit upload, then audio upload limit, you get 10 uploads per month. So you just need to be upload an audio in here. So if you have an audio, you can go ahead and then you can make your ID over that place. So you can easily make your audio ID public in Roblox. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.